welcome to How Logical the World of Tutorials where complexity meets technique. You're watching Bigo Live Series Part 4. In this video, I'll show you how you can change your ID in Bigo Live application. So first, open your Bigo Live application. In this home page, you will see various icons below. Click on that human icon below in the right. Here, click on your profile picture and it will guide you to next page. On the top right of the screen, you will see pencil icon there. Click on it. You will reach to this page. After you reach this page, scroll down and you will find Bigo ID here under information sector. Now to change it, click on that option. Here it says once set, your ID cannot be changed. So you won't be able to change it next time. Also, your ID must be unique so that people or users can search you easily. Now enter a new ID. Once you enter your new ID, click on Submit to make changes. And you're all done. You can see you have changed your Bigo ID here. So this is how you change Bigo ID in Bigo Live application. That's all for today's video. Thanks for watching till the end. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe the channel. Also hit that bell icon to get notifications for more such helpful tutorials. See you in next video. Stay connected.